Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to change the port for SSH 222 Generally we change the port 222 for security reasons. Okay, for any to avoid any security attacks or cyber attacks, we use the custom port for SSH. Okay, let's see how to change the port. So to change the port, we use the configuration file /it_sh underscore sh config. So this is a file where we change the port. Generally, see if you see here port 22. So we change the custom port. How to change the custom port is we uncomment it and add the port 22. Okay. Now we have added the port 2222. Now we don't use the firewall D in general, but we use the SElinux. Okay. Okay, so let's add this port in SElinux. Okay, so how to add the port to SElinux is sudo sc manage port -a -t ssh port t -p tcp 22. Okay, now the port has been added 2222. Now we need to restart the SSH. How to restart the SSH is systemctl restart sshd. Okay, it's require now it's been restarted. Okay, now let us check whether we can access the system through SSH with the port through port 22 or 2222. Let us verify. See if you look at this port is 22 140. I'm using the same machine with again. Okay, now if you try, see it is not accessible because we have modified the port. Okay, but if you try to access the port with if you try to access the machine with a different port, that is a new port. See, now we can access. This is how we can change the port. This is how we can change the port from from 222 2222. Okay, so the changing the port from the one machine to another machine is an important thing. And so so we can customize the port. We can customize the SSH port from 2222 or any customized port number. For security reasons, we practice this and to avoid any security attacks or any issues. So therefore, it is the best practice to implement the custom port for SSH. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.